Why do you think we just don't care? You really think we just want to go outside?
Isn't it also equally arrogant to say this entire universe exists just for us? Space exists and it's just ours? We just get to send rockets wherever the fuck we want to, and that's our land?
I don't think he.
Yeah, we put an American flag on the moon.
Bruh.
And this woodworking shit was fun when we were all quarantined and shit. Gave me something to do. But now the weather's getting nice. All my boys are out at the bar drinking. I'm stuck in here. Who knew what the boys are up to? Oh, it's the boys right now. Yo. Pass that hookah, yo. It's good. Yo. This shit is lit out here, though. The whole crew out here. Guys. Yo, but where's Melvin at, though? Yeah, yo. Where he at? I haven't seen him in a minute. I think he... Yo, you got them bottles? Yo, we out here, though. We out here. You can hear me? Yo, we out here, bro. Can you hear me? Yo, pass that bottle. Yo, but where Melvin at, though? Where he at? Right here. Who knows, man? He's probably still stuck in that shop. I see you. I think you guys butt-dialed me. Yo, for real. This dude be staying in that dusty-ass shop, yo. Him and his dusty ass. Yo, but pass the hookah. All right. I bet. All right. Yeah. Just call me back. If you can hear me, just call me back. It's all good. Yeah, I'm here at the shop. Just call me back, all right? Even though you don't know that you called me now because you butt down me. Yeah, I'm here at the shop, though. Let me know. Yo, you see me? No? All right. No? All right. Oh, that's disappointing. They're at the bar while I'm over here working. Whatever. They're out there having a good time. You know, I'm here at the shop. I'm getting shit done, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is important work that I'm doing here. I can't be at the bar with them. I gotta be here because I'm responsible. You know? Can't be at the bar. I can't go to the bar. But I can't go to a bar. But I can make the bar come to me. Yeah. I can make the bar come to me. Ooh. Let's make it happen. Alright, so for this build, we're gonna start with the frame, obviously. It's gonna be an outdoor bar, so we gotta make everything out of pressure treated. Here I am lining up my pieces, making sure my cuts are exact. We're gonna start with the front part of the bar, the main portion of the bar. The bar top is gonna be a U-shaped top. It's gonna be double tiered. We're gonna have space for a sink and some shelving and some wine rack behind the bar. It's gonna be hidden. At this point, as long as you have your dimensions, I think my bar is about 42 inches tall, and the customer requested a 6-foot long bar. As long as you have your dimensions, the framings are pretty simple. So to screw the 2x to the interior 4x4, I use pocket holes screwed through the end plate on the other side of those same 2x4s. So here is the frame for the 2 wing end pieces that's gonna hold basically the entire bar together. And here's some more pocket holes. And if you're not familiar with these, I'm sure you are, a lot of you guys are, but if you're not, they're a solid way to do any kind of joinery. They hide the fasteners really well. And I got a quick guide. If you get stuck, I got a quick guide on how to use these, step-by-step guide. Every material length, every screw length, every instance on my Instagram page. that you guys can follow, share, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thank you. If you build it, they will come. If you build it, they will come. Build it. Just fucking build it. Stop staring at me. Just build it. Alright, so now it's time to lay out our decking. This is going to be an outdoor bar. It's going to have composite decking. It's going to have an epoxy, marble-like or marble look tabletop or countertop to it. It's going to be double tiered. It's going to have a sink. It'll have racks for wine. Right here we're building the face of the bar. Aside from the countertop, this will be the main feature of the bar. So I wanted to go with a, I don't know what they call this, like a picture frame type look. So I'm gonna 45 the corners and I'm gonna line up my pieces. I kind of went back and forth on how I wanted to do this. But basically you want to square your two ends, the one horizontal piece and the one end piece, vertical piece. You want to square those up. You see me, I got them clamped down. I got my decking boards laid out. They don't have to be, they're all longer than what they need to be right now. I'm going to put in my fasteners, my clips with fasteners. I'm lining those up now. As you can see, I've had about 4 cups of coffee and I'm moving. I wish I could move this fast in real life. But anyways, so we get them preset and I send them home. Make sure they're anchored down. Make sure that piece against the horizontal piece is nice and solid. If you're not careful, they can slide on you. So I hold them down and send them home, get them nice and tight. Looking back at it, full disclosure, I wish I would have paid more attention to the grain. You see how some grains are going in one direction, some grains are going in the other direction. It's a small detail, but these are the type of details that you really want to pay attention to. If you haven't already, don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, tell me if I left out something. If you got a question, ask it in the comments. I try to put in as much information as I can. These longer videos are really hard because I try to cut them down so that they're both entertaining and informational. But if you're still with me, hit that bell and leave me any questions in the comments. I'll make sure to answer you. So the simple way to do these is if you have everything square, you did everything correctly, then you should be able to take the same dimension as the opposite piece, cut another piece, and it should fit perfectly for you. And then you could do the same thing for the two side pieces. Once you have one number, you should be able to duplicate that and put it on the other side. Here it is, all screwed up and secure. I gotta put her to the side and work on the two side pieces now. And here are your wings. This is one of them anyways. This is a better look of the hidden fastener clips. They go inside the grooves where those composite boards have, and they're like T-shaped, and you screw them right down and they clip right in just like that. The side pieces are just gonna have vertical pieces, no fancy returns or anything like that. I thought it was more practical to just go with the vertical pieces instead of trying to do some fancy 45s all the way around and get all crazy. I did though add a 45 return on the corner pieces I assembled, or I screwed the face piece on off camera, and the angle, I have a short clip of this again on my Instagram page. If you guys want to go check that out. I didn't want to include it into this video because this video is rather long. It's already a one part of two, so here's a nice close-up look of that 45 with some nice little trigger discipline. You can manipulate that corner and get it just where you want it. All right, so now it's time to cut the countertop. So basically, I'm just taking 2 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood, I'm cutting them down to the shape that I want, and then I'm gonna sandwich them together, screw them together with some cabinet screws, and then that'll give me 1.5 inch thick piece of countertop that will resemble a piece of marble. Whew, that was a close one. Oh, I guess it's time for a break. Put some nuts in my mouth. Wait, what? Was that weird? Oh well, nobody's ever gonna know. These guys, unbelievable. They get dusty. Bet you they won't say that to my face. Alright, so once you got your general shape, it's good to give it a good sanding at this point. Want to smooth the edges, get the final shape before we glue it up. Again, I used liquid nails, cabinet screws, and a lot of clamps. Damn, I guess my hands are a little dusty. I'm out here working on my dart game. These guys are gonna be so impressed. You guys already know what it is. This is the bottom half of the bar, the lower tier of the countertop. You guys already seen me make one. Just copy and paste to make the next one, man. At this point, we're gonna end the video right here, but stay tuned. You wanna see the final reveal, and we also gotta figure out if the fellas come out and hang with me. Thank you so much for watching. That concludes part 1. If you haven't already, hit the little bell for a reminder for part 2 so you don't miss out on part 2. Thank you again for the support. I'm Melvin the Maker. Go make something.